Like most of us, you probably assumed the Obama administration was behind the Affordable Care Act. But now Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan seems to be taking all the credit, telling the crowd at the opening of a health complex in Turkey that it was him who helped advise President Barack Obama on the creation of the Affordable Care Act. Erdogan told a story about meeting a group of American tourists in Istanbul who were impressed by the Turkish medical system's effectiveness. They apparently asked him how the U.S. could be so successful in healthcare and wanted Erdogan to meet the Obama administration and tell them about it. Well, Jose, he did just that. He talked to these tourists. He's talked to Obama, and apparently now he's claiming that he laid the groundwork for Obamacare, and it was him, it was all his idea, and he should be the one to take credit for it. When it comes to Obamacare not doing so well, and Obama losing a lot of popularity, he said, oh, well, that's just the U.S., that's their problem for being so divided and split. That's their negative reflex, that has nothing to do with me, but it was me who started it. What do you think? Was it him?
I don't think so, but in all honesty, Turkey has a very important healthcare system. They reformed it in 2003, and they are actually considered a model of success in Europe on how to reform the healthcare system. They improved a lot in the last 10 years, and they actually one of the few countries that actually is reaching international goals of health before the 2015 global deadline that they had to improve the levels of health system around the world. So there is a probability that he had some good thoughts about it, but it's unlikely that he's the author of it.
Yeah, I would have to agree with that. You know why? Because he seems like a smart man, but he has come out and said a lot of things in the past that have shocked a lot of people and also have pissed a lot of people off, including certain remarks that he's made regarding women, women's role in society, women's rights in general, equality between men and women. Yeah. He's made, recently this documentary just came out in Turkey just a few days ago, talking about how the Jews in Turkey are planning a coup and they're the reason for the country's economy and all these things. And it's like he pisses a lot of people off with the things that he has to say, and it's his egotism also that gets in the way of a lot of things. He just built a mansion with 1,150 rooms. He has guards wearing this traditional Ottoman Empire clothing, and so it's hard to take everything he says serious. So, like you said, Turkey is known, actually, of having a good healthcare system. Yeah. A lot of people are in pretty good shape as far as that goes. But at the same time, whether or not it was really him who laid the groundwork for Obamacare, it's hard to tell.
Yeah, and it's something that he's been doing lately. A really big push for media coverage on the things that he says and attention around the world, but at the same time, I think it's a far stretch to go and claim that you had any influence on policy in another country.
Maybe this is an attempt to kind of shift away from the
negative
controversy that's been surrounding him lately. So it's kind of hard to tell. Is this President Erdogan's egotism getting in the way, or did he in fact aid Obama on Obamacare? Let us know what you guys think. Comment, and of course, if you haven't already, subscribe to the Lip TV for more.